Asan tayo ngayon, Mommy?
Hi guys,
Kami
we're
ay
back
nasa
here.
Ramenagi.
Dito. Ikaw daw, yaw.
Oy, cheers everybody. Oy! Oy!
Nasa inyo yung dalawa.
Why does it always start the same? Soon as I'm feeling sane and happy by myself, you walked into my life unannounced. But you're so sweet, I can't complain.
Guys, i-interview natin si Mama. Busog ka na ba, Mama?
Busog na pero gusto ko pa.
Ikaw din. Busog ka na ba, Calix?
Malapit na.
Hindi na namin maubos, guys.
Too shy to tell
Yozo.
you might be my supernova new star, light up my sky. We're making days, babe. I want you to take me away. It's been a while, but if you wanna make
Ayan, lamig. Hello. Dito kami tayo sa
Manor.
dating Manor Hotel. Ngayon ay Manor John Hay something hotel ang haba ng pangalan niya. And sobrang lamig dito, guys. Kamusta ka, John Hay? 21 degrees? So cold. Maganda doon kay Daddy, oh. Maganda doon sa may pwesto niya. Ube makapuno. Lamig. Ang sarap. Si Daddy. Lamig. So, hello guys. Tapos kami mag-lunch. Ito kami sa former Manor Hotel. So, nag-order kami ng clubhouse sandwich. And ano in-order nyo? Ham and cheese panini. Masarap. And dessert na. Dessert time. So, nag-order tayo ng
Cake.
ube, makapuno, cheesecake, and Belgian chocolate
Gato.
gato. Basta chocolate cake.
Elegant.
And coffee. Siyempre si Ate Jam ay mug.
Try ko ang chocolate chip.
Dito pwede kasi ano to?
Mama.
Nakakalasing. Okay, so try natin. Ay,
Try ko to. Mama.
try natin. Gusto ko magkape, pero syempre ayaw sa akin ng coffee. May strawberry. Belgian chocolate cake na may strawberry sauce.
Jam yan.
Try natin.
Yes.
Naglag pa.
Chocolate chips na chip mold lang. Yan yung chips.
Social ng lasa. Ang total ng lasa. Ang social ng lasa. Siyempre, ube cheesecake. Nalagyan natin ng may caramel, salted caramel. Salted caramel. And makapuno.
Shell pala yung likod niya.
Oh my gosh. Sobrang lasang-lasa. At dahil nasa Baguio tayo, sobrang sarap ng ube nila. Ube talaga. Sobrang sarap. Ube, makapuno, and salted caramel. Yum, yum. Isa pa. Sarap na ube. Kilala talaga yung Baguio sa ube. Ube is life. So good.
Mama.
Dali. Dali. Sobrang sarap. Let's eat. Berry. Oh my gosh.
Hi,
This is so
guys.
good. This is so good. Tapos kape. Subukan niyo talaga, promise. Sobrang sarap niya.
Grabe, sarap.
Tignan mo yun, tsaka to. Para kang nahahay, ganon.
Ano ang masasabi mo sa Baguio?
Thank you.
Baguio!
Later.
Baguio!
Malamig.
Sabi nga ni Alden Richards,
Ano?
Baguio!
Smile, you'd make my day, make my day. I've always been this way. Let's run away, let's make day.
So, ito po yung cheese cupcake. Masarap po siya. Dapat po i-try ni cameraman nito. Tapos, ano pa po? Ito po, kailangan niyo po ito. Sa ice cream at sa yogurt.
A noble age, fine like whiskey.
Check po natin yung doon.
Still you'll never be as smooth as me.
So, may mga pangpuso lang po dito. Tapos po, may mga
Like to think I see right
peanut
through it.
littles. Hindi ko po ito na-try kasi po allergic ako sa peanuts. Ito naman po cashew. Tapos, cookie pumps po.
So I'm asking you to promise.
Tapos, ito po yung bibilin ko mamaya pa dito po. Butter.
Maybe ako lang may gulong ano, breakfast. May omelette.
Tapos po,
I want you to
ay,
take
ito po
me
yung
away.
tapos, ayun man po, ayun po yung mga nasa House of Yogurt Lover.
But if you wanna make me smile, make my day, make my day. I've always been this way. Let's run away,
Dito sa House of Yogurt.
out of the blue and I least expect.
Sir, Daddy, pumpkin soup tsaka chowder.
Meet someone new when I feel content,
Bagay na ba talaga yan?
but I don't mind. I'm trying. I won't look before I fall. Oh, we're making days, babe. I want you to take me away.
Yo.
It's been a
Ay, may pala
while,
ako.
but if you wanna make
We
me
are here at
smile,
House of
make my
Yoga.
day, you'd make my day.
Hindi kumpleto ang Baguio trip kapag hindi tayo dumaan dito sa House of Yogurt. Kaya ngayon, nag-order si Ate Jam ng putin.
Hello.
Bango. Oh, sarap. And, ang ganda nito. Tapos, meron siyang, syempre, nasa Baguio, may strawberry jam. Man na natin. Oh, so, try natin yung putin.
It's hot.
Siyempre, merong may gulay, may olives, may pipino, may kamatis, may onion, and yung kanilang, anong tawag dito dyan? Chili con carne. Okay. At syempre, merong, ayan na ang pag.
Ayan na.
So good. So good. OMG, ang lambot.
Bango.
OMG, ang lambot. Ano natin?
Marami.
Lambot. Ano?
Recommend ko siya.
Oh, sarap sa tsaa. Sarap sa tsaa. Wait lang. And nag-order din ako ng omelette. Ham and cheese omelette. Kasi parang kailangan ko ng protein. Let us try. May egg. Ang sarap. May mushroom, may ham, may bacon, may gulay. So good, sarap.
Always been this way. Let's run away. Let's run away and let's make day.